Good evening, I'm Taylor Torgano.
And I'm Scott Dennis. Thanks for being with us tonight. Topping our news this evening, election officials in Florida are preparing to recount millions of ballots from Tuesday's elections.
The results in 3 races are just too close to call. ABC 7's Erica Jackson has details on that process.
Election day is over, but Florida voters still have many unanswered questions. As of Friday morning, the races for Florida governor, agriculture commissioner, and U.S. Senate were all within half a percentage point, mandating a statewide recount.
We had predicted that there would be a recount. We weren't predicting 3, we were predicting 2.
We've had a big job and we have a big job ahead, and the volume we're dealing with, people have a lot of questions right now.
Elections offices across Florida are sending in results from provisional and any additional ballots. If the race is still within 0.5%, then the state will require a machine recount.
The machine is set up to where it reads both sides at the same time and literally reads them in probably quarter of a second.
And it doesn't end there. Races with a gap of less than 0.25% after the machine recount will need to be recounted by hand. And that may be the case for the race for U.S. Senate between Rick Scott and Bill Nelson, with a difference of less than 0.2% as of Friday morning.
We need every, day and hour that we can at this point, because we had more than 200,000 ballots cast in Sarasota County, so it's quite the undertaking to do this.
Florida dealt with a month-long recount in the 2000 presidential election, but this time the process will likely wrap up in a few days. The extra effort is to ensure your vote is properly counted and protected.
And they placed a ballot. It was going to be counted. It was going to be counted accurately.
Serving as a reminder to all voters that every ballot matters. Reporting in Sarasota and Manatee counties, Erica Jackson, ABC 7, your Suncoast News.